What's up, guys? This is IER Vibes Info Entertainment and Reviews. Lots of love to everybody out there. I've been monitoring the earthquakes for the last couple of days. Apologize, I have not updated yesterday or the day prior. Just a lot going on, and just keeping an eye on what's happening. Now, you're looking at this whole past week's earthquake activity. Recently, Italy, in one day, they got struck with over 4 earthquakes, 2 5.7 magnitudes, and as well multiple 4-pointers, and it's just hitting right up in this area, guys. And I have been talking about how I've been so concerned about this whole region, and my concern about it, what's next to come. They really should start getting ready for the next couple of weeks, you guys. There's just so much activity. I mean, look at these areas. You can't tell me now. Look at this main here. You're looking at that 4.6, following by the 4.7. You have that 5.7, which I was talking about. And as well, you have a 4.5. And then just recently, it looks like we have here in the green. Let me see if I can get up on here. We got that 4.3 there. And multiple quakes. You got 2 of them that are striking 5.6 magnitude in the same spot. Look at the dates, you guys. This has all been happening. These are all on the 18th of 2017. All of these quakes are yesterday's earthquakes. And it's more than what I was getting on the Earthquake 3D. 1, 2, I mean, look at this, you guys. All within 1 day's worth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 earthquakes. Let's go ahead and do the cluster. Let's see how many earthquakes this really actually had. Zoom on out total. So, yesterday, Italy had 11 earthquakes that struck that whole region. Versus the 4 earthquakes that I got updated with. So those were definitely later on down in through the day. And then you had 2 earthquakes that struck here with a 4.4 magnitude we're looking at. And also you got a single quake, which is right within near Cyprus. And look at this, 4.3 magnitude. And then also following by a 4.3 within through Greece. They're spreading out exactly as I even mentioned. 11 miles east of Delaware, Iran with a 4.2. Following within Iran, you have a 4.8. And also, you have a 4.5 magnitude earthquake, you guys. This is just really getting insane. And also, don't forget this region. I have a new nickname for this whole area, and I call it the Beast. And the reason why I call this the Beast, because this is the biggest event of earthquake activity happening versus then happening throughout the United States and South America itself. Yes, South America is getting a lot of activity, but take a look here. All the way on through. Now, New Zealand's been somewhat fairly quiet, 4.4 magnitude. And as well, take a look at this, Antarctic Ridge, you guys, with a 5.0. And also, coming up over here, Fiji getting struck with a 4.3. Following over here with a 5.9. You guys, all these earthquakes, look at this. And mind you, 5 earthquakes. You have a 6.1 magnitude. Now, let me clear out the cluster. And bam. All of these earthquakes. One on top of another. And another. And another. Over here, 5.1. 5.7. Also following by a 4.9. You have that 4.5. And there's that 6.1 magnitude earthquake. And coming up over here. Here's the area I talk about all the time. Very weak spot, you guys, 5.4. We have a 4.8. And also coming up over here with a 4.7. And then here's another 4.8 magnitude earthquake. What the hell is going on within this area? 6.5 magnitude earthquake, which was today. And look at this, which I did get updated from Solomon Islands region. And look at this, you guys. Now let me go ahead and zoom on in real quick. And then bam, here we are here. 4.7 magnitude earthquake, and then getting hit over here, 4.7 again, and a 5.2. Now coming further down, look at this, Papua New Guinea, 4.6. And then you have a 5.1, and then of course the 4.7 magnitude earthquake. Now coming on in here, here's Indonesia, also with a 5.3 magnitude, 4.8. This whole area, you guys, look at this. is getting smashed with earthquake activity. Zoom out and look at this whole area. This will cover the whole United States and then some on the activity. Even though we have to worry about the San Andreas, but this is a big problem. People are really not focusing on within this whole region of area, all the way from this whole corner, wrapping all the way up towards the Philippines and so forth. Take a look at Italy. Don't forget about Italy as well. Things are brewing up and it's getting big. Take a look at South America. Multiple earthquakes as well, you guys. 4.2 magnitudes. I mean, this is just nuts. And then there was over 21 or 22 earthquakes just in Puerto Rico alone. Take a look at this. I'll go ahead and rearrange things. 21 earthquakes. 21 earthquakes hit all through Puerto Rico. It's nuts. And then also you have Alaska getting hit 5.0. It's not a 4.9, of course. It's a 5.0 magnitude. Here's another 5.0 also. And then also coming up over here with another 5.0 magnitude earthquake smashing up into Russia. And then a 4.5, excuse me, again. 3 earthquakes here at a 4.5 magnitude on up in Japan. Following by 2 more over here within 4.5s. And take a look at this. Another 4.5. That's kind of weird. 4.5 magnitudes. 4.6. You got a 4.8 in the Philippines. And this area is waking up right here. Micronesia with a 4.8 magnitude. And then as well, take a look here, you guys, with a 4.7 magnitude earthquake. This is nuts. So here it is. January 19th, 2016. And it is currently 10:30 p.m. Arizona time. Lots of love to you guys. Thank you so much. And again, lots of love to everybody on Facebook and as well all my subscribers here on YouTube. This is IER Vibes, you guys. Info, entertainment, reviews.